What up guys, welcome back to today's video. Today I'm talking about the Mega Power Skunk 2 exhaust. And I know you guys want to know, what does it sound like? Is it super loud? Is it neutral loud? How does this affect your previous sound when you was strictly on stock exhaust? I'm gonna give you the rundown, the 401 about everything about the exhaust. One thing about this exhaust I love the most, that it is nice. It has a nice rumble sound to it. Fart cans people have, like they used to talk about Honda all the time about them fart cans. No, this exhaust makes the sound that you want to hear when you're driving down the road. It has that aggression to it, like, yeah, this ain't no ordinary exhaust you get down there at Walmart or somewhere else. This exhaust makes good noise. Let's jump right into it. I'm gonna just give you everything that I like about the exhaust. It just sounds good to me. Like the first week, I'm like, it's not that loud. It's not that loud. I don't hear the difference. Like, I hear the difference, but it's not that loud what everybody else tells me your car is loud. So, just like a while ago, I went down the road and it's still not that loud when on the outside, but it's loud enough like where, okay, it sounds good. I haven't did any tonal runs yet. Eventually I would do that when all this quarantine stuff goes away. I can get to Atlanta, and that's where the bridges are everywhere in Atlanta, so I can just go in there and hear the real sound of it. But this exhaust, oh man, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's nice. It's not loud in the car. Once you get to your gears, it's like quiet again, like you don't hear it. But when you start off in the first, second, third gears, that's where you start hearing the loudness of the car. Like that's like the very top loud of the car, and that's what I like the most. Like, it sounds good when you first start off. When it goes down the road, it sounds crazy. When VTEC hits it, that's where you really can feel it. One thing about this exhaust, it doesn't overtake the intake noise, because I can also still hear the intake at the same time I hear the exhaust. A lot of cars, when you go like straight pipes, stuff like, you can't hear nothing else except the exhaust. But now this one, I can hear my intake also. I can still hear the exhaust. I like this Mega Power exhaust. It's one of the best investments I got. This exhaust is, I don't know, it's good. What I do not like about the exhaust, maybe I can change in the future. I do want a little bit more louder, because I just a little bit, not too much where it's annoying to drive, because it's still a daily car for me. I still have to drive back and forth to work every day or other places. So that's one thing that I want to do, some changes to the exhaust, because it still has a catalytic converter on it. So eventually I might just take that and get somebody welded and just go straight right there. But at the meantime, I like what it does. The exhaust is crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I recommend you go get that exhaust. Now, let me tell you something about this exhaust too. I didn't notice once it gets like really, really in the motion, that thing pops. It has some pops, man. I like, yeah, it really didn't pop, but when I was going on the road one time, it really popped. Like, it had a couple pops, so I'm like, oh, this exhaust has potential. Like, once I get like tuned, like really tuned, this gonna really make some pops. Like, so this exhaust really has some potential to make some really good sounds. And I like it already as just stock, no tuning at all. But this exhaust is like, it's good, don't pass up on the exhaust. Like, the exhaust is really warmed up. It do you some nice noises. Like, man, that's what I really love about the exhaust. I don't know, man, I'm just lost for words sometimes, because this is my very first exhaust installed, and everything I used to see from people, I used to hear from people, it's really, it's really true. Get your exhaust. Do not miss out on this mod, or you want to call it, upgrade. But yeah, that's basically it I have about the exhaust. There's nothing else I really, there's really no cons about it. Just that one kind is just not that loud to me, you know what I'm saying? It may be because I haven't tuned it up, you know what I'm saying? Or I haven't put this thing on download tune, so I really don't know what the max potential it can do. You know, also I'm still running on stock headers too. I'm not gonna keep rambling, I'm not gonna keep talking. All I wanna tell you guys, the Exhaust is fire. It's 10 out of 10. Go get you one. If you have a Honda Civic or any type of Honda out there, go get that exhaust. That exhaust will not make you mad, and you'll feel good, because people always think when you roll up in a Honda, oh, here comes that loud, aggressive lawnmower sound, but it's not, because this exhaust says, nope, we're coming like a man. We're gonna work, we're gonna come to events, we're gonna leave out like a man. So that's one thing I like about the exhaust. Look, thank you guys for so much for watching these videos. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We're 6 away from 300 subscribers, so don't forget that. And follow me on Instagram. I'm always there chilling, doing updates on the stories, so you won't miss out on anything else. But I want to tell you guys, thank you so much for supporting me through all this quarantine stuff. And I want to tell you guys again that I see you guys later, and Legit is out.